Hello, Lady Trans Lovies. I am your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. Ayanda Ngwane and Nonko Williams of The Real Wives of Durban really struck the viewers as real, matured people after their meeting, which went smoothly. We all know that Unonko revealed, we thought maybe it's going to be some sort of fit drama, as Unonko revealed herself as baby mama Kasfiso Ngwane. But their meeting went so smoothly and nicely, and yeah, Unonku, she still says Usfiso Ngwane had a heart of gold, and she still wishes ukuthi bekasaphila. But anyways, siyabonga ukuthi nje that meeting went so smoothly and there was no drama, so they are actually matured people, so they be a surprise for ingane yakhe uNonku, which is Sifiso's daughter. So nje when she visits ka Ayanda Ngwane, which is Sifiso's wife, so nje siyababongela ukuthi at the end of the day they actually had to get eye to eye with each other. Thank you guys for watching this video. I am out till next time.